This is an exciting one for you. This is our sensory bin 3-station kit. You can choose to set these up one at a time or all three and place them in different places in the room. Your students are going to love this. So let me explain. The first one, we have our colorful orbs. Now, orbs are simply a polymer that you grow in water. They are pretty fast growing. They grow overnight, and they are just a sensory sensation. They're fun to touch, to roll. Another thing I like to do with these is hide objects in there and have the students try to figure out what I hid in there before they pulled it out. Or another idea is to hide letters in there and have the students pull a letter out and tell a word that starts with that letter. Love these polymers. These are our orbs. In our next container, we have our Insta-Snow. If you have not seen Insta-Snow, it got its name because it grows instantly. So again, this is another type of a polymer. This is a loose polymer. You can find this in some baby products used to soak up liquid. So it's fun, sensory. And this, like I said, grows instantly. It's fun to squeeze. If you add a little more water and scoop it out, you can actually make a snowball. The thing about all the polymers is they feel cool to the touch because the water is constantly trying to evaporate. Now, what I love to do with the snow is connect it to STEM. Maybe you set up some snow in a tray and have the kids create a tool, we'll say, to pick up the snow without touching it. Of course, it is safe to touch. All of our items have been tested for child safety, so there's no need to worry there. Another great thing to do with the snow is to hide little animals in the snow and have the students pick out the animals and then write a short story about the 3 animals that they pick out. Sometimes it's fun. They'll have a fish, a hippopotamus, and a tiger. That'd be an interesting story, right? A great way to build those communication skills and to build that confidence. Now, our last bin has our magic sand in it. What makes it magic, you say? You scoop the sand out with your hands and it comes out dry. You heard me, dry. So it has a special coating on it that keeps it dry. You can simply rinse your hand off to try and remove some of the sand. Of course, you should always have paper towels nearby when you work with anything with water. Now let me tell you, I know some of you are saying, water. It's okay. Remember, it's okay. If one of these orbs escapes the hands and rolls under your bookcase, it's fine. The water is going to evaporate and it will shrink back down to the little tiny ball that you grew in the water. Same with the snow. If the snow gets all over your carpet, do not try to pick it up. Just wait 24 to 48 hours and you'll be easily able to vacuum it up. And of course, the sand is always dry, so that's going to be easy for you to sweep or vacuum up. Your kids are going to love these sensory bins, and they're going to love the fact that you have stepped outside the box and done something different and unique to make their SEL learning memorable.